Welcome back to Schools Challenge Quiz 2020. You are watching the 7th match here in round 1. Scores are St. Catherine High on 17 points, St. George's College on 23 points. Just a couple of minor changes. St. Catherine picked up a point for their answer to what acid is present in lemon. Ascorbic acid is indeed accepted. And the judges accepted the answer to the question, what is an animal that kills its prey for food, called carnivore, was given and has been accepted. So with that, we move into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified, please, before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast, clear answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. We have 4 minutes on the clock, so we'll begin with Bible knowledge. By what other name was the disciple Bartholomew St. George's?
No, Matthew. No. This is...
Consolation.
And the time expired. Nathaniel. Biology. Hemochromatosis is a disease affecting which organ mainly? The liver. English language, give a 5-letter word beginning with D, which is a synonym for inebriated. Drunk. Local affairs. Look on the screen. Identify this person, please. St. George's College.
Shiny Robinson.
Shiny Robinson.
Minister of Labour and Social Security. Correct. Chemistry. What process is used to purify chemicals and to separate St. George's College?
Electrolysis.
Electrolysis.
Fractional distillation. Separate mixtures to obtain their components. Music and audio 1. Listen to the clip and give the title of this song, please. Single Ladies by Beyonce. General knowledge. Which vegetable was considered poisonous in medieval times but was used by the Romans as an aphrodisiac? The tomato. Spanish. Translate the following sentence to English. Llámame cuando llegues. Call me when you arrive. Geography. What is the name for rocks thrown from an active volcano? St. George's College.
Pyroclast.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, a visual 1. Teams, look at the screen and identify this individual. That's the actress Regina King. Information technology. What computer operating system was invented by a Finnish college student surnamed Torvalds? St. Catherine.
Linux.
Linus. Judges. History. 2 historic dates in Japan are August 6 and 9, 1945. What events took place on those dates? The bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, respectively, by the U.S. Mathematics. Simplify completely and factorize the following expression. 2 open bracket 3 plus x close bracket plus 3 open bracket 2x plus 4 close bracket. That's 2 open bracket 4x plus 9 close bracket. Physics. What material is used in the fabrication of a transistor? Silicon. Sport, a visual 1. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person, please. St. George's College.
Serena Williams.
That's right. Jamaican heritage. In which parish would you find the Trial Golf St. George's College?
Hanover. Hanover.
That's right. French. Translate this phrase to English. La semaine dernière. St. George's College.
Last week.
Last week.
Good. Literature. Who wrote the novel The Schoolmaster? Earl Lovelace. Art. Which artist is responsible for the works The Weeping Woman and Le Rêve? Pablo Picasso. Bible knowledge. Which book of the Old Testament means second law? Deuteronomy, biology, what is the general name for an organism that does not require oxygen for growth? St. George's.
Organism. Anaerobe.
Anaerobe.
That's right, English language. And that's it. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be St. Catherine High on 19 points, St. George's College on 31 points. We'll double-check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.